Hello everyone, XQ Crafting here. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm bringing another unboxing for a painting from Paint with Diamond. I would like to give you a brief disclaimer. So I bought this painting with my own money. There's no affiliate links. This video is not sponsored, and all said here is just my opinion. This unboxing is very similar to what I did for the other Paint with Diamonds paint, just because both came in the same box. I'm just gonna focus on the one I didn't do the unboxing yet. And the toolkit come with the basic stuff that you normally get on a diamond painting. The only thing I think they send extra is the tweezers, which normally comes for square diamonds. So there is the single placer pen with a little squishy to be more comfortable to grip, a multi-placer, and then there is one for 4 and one for, I don't know if that's 8 or 10, I'm sorry. Then the wax, and then the tray or boat where you put your drills. So everything that you need to start is there, and then they also send the instructions. And this company have a spill insurance. So if for any reason you spill your drills, they have insurance that covers that. So you just have to reach out to them. And this canvas, the name is Dark Thirdy, not like the number 30. I don't know what that word means, to be honest. And the drilling area on this canvas is 60 by 45 centimeters, or a bit over 23 by 17 inches. There are 48 colors. It cost me $59.98 of US dollars. This is a square drill, and it took me about 70 hours to complete in around 29 days. So it took me a month to complete. A lot of it was because the drills kept popping out. I believe this is double-sided tape. And to flatten it out, even though it doesn't have like much of wrinkles or anything like that, it did really arrive in really good conditions. But if you wanted to flatten out, just lift the paper, like the covering paper, up and then put it back down, and it's gonna flatten the canvas. And you can do the same thing on the other side. And like I said, I believe this painting is double-sided adhesive, not poured glue. I do not know for sure. So the drills come already separated in little baggies for you, but I like to put them in my containers, like small containers. And I would like to point out that I ran out of one of the colors. It was just one. And not saying that the company wouldn't give me the color that I needed. It was actually my fault. I never reached out to them. I just figured that it would probably be easier to just look for the color myself, or just look if I had any drills that I would be able to replace with. I had it from Diamond Art Club. I had spare drills that it looked very similar, so it was not really a big deal. And again, I would probably be okay reaching out to the company, but because it was so long ago, I figured that I really didn't want to have to prove or like explain why I just finished the painting now, not when I first bought it in 2021, more than 2 years ago. So I just wanted to let you know, I do not know if that's a normal thing to happen with this company, because the previous painting I did not run out of colors. It was just for this one, and it was just one color, not the whole canvas, just a few spots that I needed it and I didn't have it, so I just used my own drills. So the symbols on this painting is easy to see. There I didn't have any issues reading the symbols, because this painting doesn't come with a sticker sheet, or like doesn't come with the little stickers to put in the container. I make a copy just of the numbers on the side of the canvas, and that I put double-sided tape, and I cut it to the size of my containers, and I use that. Like I said, they come separated already in little baggies, so you don't have to transfer them to containers. I do that because I think it's easier for me to see the drills, the numbers, everything. So while you watch me organize the drill in the containers, I will give you my final thoughts, because this painting, it's finished, and the video for that will be dropping next week. So the painting, it's beautiful. I like the final result. As I mentioned, it arrived in great condition. I have nothing to complain about the tools included. I have my own, but before buying my own tools, I would do all my paintings with the tools that came with. So that's not a deal breaker. They are basic, but they do the job. I mentioned before that the only thing that I did not like, and it made it very frustrated to finish, was the drills popping out constantly. Like the other painting that came with it, it kept popping out. I don't know if that's only for these two that I got. I cannot say that it happens for all the paintings on this company. I really don't know. I'm just letting you know my experience with these two canvas that I got. It got to the point that I really didn't want to do it anymore, but I forced myself to finish so I could just move on to another painting. After I finished both paintings, I sealed with Mod Podge gloss. Maybe the pictures will not show, but it's kind of pixelated, so I don't know it's because of the size of the canvas. I bought kind of a medium size they had, and it looks nice in the picture, but like from close, it's kind of pixelated. I still like the painting. I'm glad I finished. But I still like it. If you had a different experience with this company, could you please let me know in the comments down below? I don't know if that was just me. Maybe I was unlucky to get a badge that it was kind of troublesome. But if you did have a different experience, or if you had the same experience, please let me know in the comments down below. Well, happy crafting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!